Peacocks are known for their striking beauty. They are large birds. Males, known as peacocks, being larger than females, known as peahens. One of their most distinctive features is their colorful plumage. Peacocks have long, iridescent blue-green feathers that form a magnificent fan-shaped crest on their back. These feathers are often adorned with eye-like patterns in shades of blue, green, and gold. Peahens have more subdued feathers with shades of brown and gray. Peacocks are famous for their elaborate courtship displays. During mating season, male peacocks extend their long, vibrant tail feathers into a magnificent display. The tail feathers are fanned out and raised high above their body, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The display is accompanied by a series of calls and dances to attract the attention of peahens. Peacocks are native to South Asia, specifically India and Sri Lanka, but they have been introduced to other parts of the world. They prefer a diverse habitat that includes forests, fields, and open areas near water sources. Peacocks are adaptable and can thrive in both rural and urban environments. Peacocks are social birds. They usually live in small groups known as parties or musters. These groups typically consist of a dominant male, several females, and their offspring. Outside the breeding season, peacocks are generally peaceful birds that forage for food together and roost in trees at night. Peacocks are omnivorous birds. They consume both plant matter and small animals. Their diet consists of seeds, fruits, insects, small reptiles, and even small mammals. Peacocks have long been associated with beauty, elegance, and spirituality in various cultures around the world. They are often seen as symbols of immortality, renewal, and good luck. Their majestic appearance and vibrant colors have made them popular motifs in art, literature, and religious symbolism.